Hey, hello everyone. This is a Asus ROG Z11 case, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a ATX micro ATX motherboard in there. I just want to go over my procedure to do this, and because I don't have a ITX, but I do have plenty of MATX motherboards. So, and this is not the board I'm going to put in there. This is just my test fitting board, and because I do have a ROG graphics card and motherboard, so I just want to test and see what I need to do to make everything fit. And it does fit in there. I am going to put a fan in there, 120, so that'll blow cooler I should say, across there along with the one that's down there, and then convection with the two fans there up, get the air out and go from there. I'm not going to be worried about the air intake there. That should work out fine. And let's see what else we need to say. Now I did take off the SSD bracket here so we can make room. So what I am going to do is put take off the screws of the ITX motherboard. Then I'm going to take a what they call it. They have these little like plexiglass stand-up boards for testing. So I'm going to take one of those, bolt it to the ATX board there, and then bolt that down here and then to the top, so that I can mount the board that way. And that way I'm not permanently altering anything on this case. Just use the hardware that's there. I don't feel like drilling into a new case. You know, if I can just put a piece of plexiglass that supports the micro ATX and then bolt that straight to the ITX case, and that way it'll increase the usefulness of this. I don't want to just go out and have to buy an ITX motherboard just for that when I have several good quality micro ATX, and that gives you more options too than just stuff with an ITX. All right, well, I'm sure most of you probably, if you're watching this, have seen this review of this case and know what it looks like, but not too many people have tried to put the ITX motherboard in there. And so I may have to fashion a bracket to this one, but the hole actually does line up, even though everything is shoved this way slightly, which actually does increase the air clearance here. So that should work out well with the air coming up and across here and then going up. And so it should work out well. And the CPU cooler height from here to the glass is 130 millimeter using this setup. Now once I take the screws off, it should bring it down, make it 133, 135, depending on the thickness of the plexiglass, which should give me a little bit more CPU cooler height. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you get some information from it, and if you want to try that, go for it. I actually was thinking about test fitting in full ATX in there, which would bring it right up to here, but then you have problems with the fan, which would be, I might just, for shits and grins, give it a try, see what we got. All right, have a good one.